Question number 2 spans a 2-year period, 2018 and 2019. So you'll have to pay careful attention to the dates. And in the first part of the problem, you're going to record 5 journal entries, starting with this one, January 2nd, 2018, for the purchase of a 3-year insurance policy. And the fact that the policy is for 3 years is going to be important when you're figuring out the adjusting entries later on. So here we're preparing the adjusting entry at the end of 2018. The company will have used 1/3 of the policy, 1 out of 3 years. And so you're going to recognize insurance expense for 1/3 of the cost of the policy. And of course, debit insurance expense and credit prepaid insurance to decrease the value of the policy. Then the next step is to prepare the closing entry. Again, this is at the end of 2018, and the company needs to close its insurance expense account to 0, just like it needs to close its other expense and then revenue accounts too. But Connect is just asking you to close the insurance expense account. And since we debit expenses to increase them, the insurance expense account will have an ending debit balance. Therefore, we need to credit insurance expense to close it to 0 and debit retained earnings to decrease retained earnings for the amount of insurance expense. Then we're moving ahead to 2019, where at the end of 2019, we're going to record another adjusting entry for the amount of insurance used in the second year. So remember that insurance policy was for a 3-year period. Now the second year has gone by, and we need to record that we've used up another year of this policy. And then finally, for the last journal entry, this is the closing entry as of the end of 2019. We need to close out that insurance expense account in 2019.